What a way to start an intro. 45 for a Supra.
I added the wing.
Little carbon fiber here and there.
Freaking, oh, he threw me out the wheels for free pretty much.
That big old exhaust.
Oh, yeah, I got that.
Does that spit out flames or no?
Nah.
Not yet?
That's how I swapped it.
Yeah. But I mean, for 45, it's not bad.
Yeah, I mean.
It's a good or reliable.
A right hand is cheaper too. Left hand in 97 hardtop is very rare. Like,
Yeah.
very rare. So most people that get these cars, they swap it obviously because the value goes up.
Wow.
And everything's original. Like even like I still have the floor mat. They're like 400 a piece.
That's
Everything for
crazy.
this car's like super rare, dude. It's crazy. You know what I mean?
Timepiece though, huh?
Yeah, like I got it. I was like, oh, it's chill. Yeah, but I knew that parts are hard to get. But I'm
Right.
like, God damn, even like a little like, switch OEM.
Yeah.
$300 for a little switch. I'm like,
Because really what you're paying for now is the brand, you know?
yeah.
The fact that, you know, Paul Walker and blah, 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 and
After
franchise.
the movies and shit and all that, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Like, I want a movie car. Okay, you're going to pay movie price.
For real, dude.
Yeah, but it's sick, though. I mean, it looks pretty clean, you know, for a daily. I'm glad we got it started, though.
Yeah, dude. Thank you, bro.
Yeah. All right, what a way to start an intro, guys. We're out here today, UTI, city of Long Beach. We've been here multiple different times on different sides of the channel. A lot of different meets out here. Now today it is going to be with Hoedown. I believe they had the old Acura Integra last time, and they were also over there at the Mercedes-Benz dealership where there was a lot of nice cars out there. So today we're gonna be checking out the cars over here in Long Beach. So we'll see what's up, grab some popcorn, and get ready to enjoy this vlog. All right, looks like we got some common cars already off the bat. Of course, this is going to be a whole entire, of course, being in SoCal, it's going to be a very common cars. We got the JZ and the GS, but this car right here was there at the car meet last night, and here he is again today. Aired out and everything, pretty sick. I did like his like work wheels that we seen last night. Last night I did not do no vlog because it's usually nighttime car meets and they usually don't last that long. Look at this Type R, sheesh. The rear end and the Type R's look very basic, but the front ends look so good. And there goes that Supra leaving. This guy dailies it, and he's got an R35. Hopefully he is watching the channel. But he did say he's gonna subscribe, and if you guys aren't subscribed, please subscribe now. We got cars in tan, the green avocado Supra. He brought it out instead of the RD4 today. Pretty nice. Looks like his reflector's falling down right there. Wonder if he's gonna do anything about it. Homeboy's here on Glorious. I wonder where he's at. Still has yet to get the bags on this one, but a lot of work done to this. And of course he's got the two-step going on over here, but nice. He's got a lot of carbon fiber work done from the last time. It's pretty cool, nice little touch. I guess kind of the stars of the show's right over here. I wonder if he's here, the one that owns this one.
We're talking about it. Do you know any?
Coming inside, nice little rotary, whatnot over here. Sick with it. I've only ever seen this car twice. It's Peterson Museum, one time inside, one time outside. Outside being with Jay Leno, coming inside to this really nice interior, right-hand drive. Man, it's immaculate. It's crazy looking. Yeah, also I seen one of these, actually this is my third one then. This one also was at the LA Auto Show about 2 years ago. Pretty nice to see one out here though. Massive wide body on this one, hard mounted, so there is no little tiny drill marks or anything like that. It's just straight kit on the car. Massive big wing on this one too. Anything done to the interior. It's got some flocking done, some marble tops, different gauges, stock steering wheel. It says Nissan on there, that's funny. Automatic too, okay, I see you. G35 Jezebel. Some minor mods on the inside, crazy mods on the outside. Look at this Corvette right over here, guys. Kidding? It ain't no Corvette, it's a big old Lincoln. Man, the suicide doors on there too, that's sick. Another hard mounted wide body Kia Stinger this time. I like the wheels on there, it's got little checker patterns going on. all the way inside as well. This one was at Tuner Evo, I believe in 23 or in 22. But show winner right here for sure. They don't choose this car for like best trunk setup or something else. They're crazy because this car is clean. A lot of legends out here today. Last time he did pop open the hood on this one. So if you want to see that one, it's on the channel somewhere with Fujiwara Tofu Cafe that we were there. And we were there with Adam that was showing off. So Fast and the Furious car right over here, and classic Benz on the ground. There he is, classic Benz coupe. This thing was crazy. Last time State of Speed, they flew a drone all the way through and through, but man, homeboy really went above and beyond with his Tesla. Definitely from the last time we seen it. A lot more stuff has been done. I know the carpet's kind of been done, and also some crazier stuff has been done on this one. Coming to the bottom side, looks like he's got a whole mural done on there. At least this panel right over there. That's crazy. 765 LT, beautiful. The doors up. Let's hop inside. Let's hop inside. Just kidding. I'm not gonna sit down. Dry carbon. A lot of plastic everywhere. Infamous McLaren race car though. Nice. Not one, not two, but three yellow Supras. This one having the sickest wide body on here, going all the way to the very back side. And actually, this one's a transition to a green color. It's not really black. Really hard to tell with the sun, but it's actually like a green color and a green carbon fiber right on top. That's pretty sick. I like that, little tiny touches. Yo, wait a minute. What just happened to the rear end too? It's got those spider lights, kind of like the comp series of a BMW. Of course, it's got the racer light down there, but this is sick. This is a really nice rear end. Different badge on there too, but I do like the green touch. So yellow to green, looking hella mean. Had to do a slight voiceover here, but Gunther Works always putting in works on these Porsches, man. They always look amazing. And right over here, we had a little update about the titanium 2J Supra. Looks super cool underneath the engine bay. We got ourselves an exclusive SEMA car, guys. The SLR with the Lambo doors on there. Crazy modification done to this vehicle. You can see it's just some hinges right there and a shock strut right down there. Unless this car comes with these, I highly doubt it does. It's still a nice little touch to modify the door and everything, kind of like that. That is crazy looking, dude. The doors are like wide open, the white and the red. Damn, this thing is crazy looking, dude. A lot of SEMA cars actually. Hold on, wait a minute, because I know one guy that owns a crazy Ferrari around here. Is this the Tesla one that's swapped in here, or what is this one? It's an actual 300Z SL. Is it actually? Because there is a lot of replicas, and then there is one that's crazy modified to be a Tesla underneath, and that's crazy. But this one's got a nice little wide body to it. Wow, absolutely insane day today. SEMA cars, crazy, man. A lot of work done to this. Nice interior, all that red and everything. Wow. So you want to go to one meet, you go to all the meets around SoCal. Got the Golf, McLaren out again, Type R. I don't know, I got some exciting stuff happening to the Civic, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video, the quick review. There is some exciting stuff happening to it. I promise it's not gonna be anything crazy, but it is gonna be cool. So that's my main promise to you guys. It's gonna be really cool coming up with the mods already to that car. Just some few stuff. That is technically the daily. So oh no, they got the Abarth out here. It's not an Abarth though, because last time, hold on, wait, this is sick, but hold on, because last time it wasn't an Abarth. Last time it was a Kizzy, bro. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry, bro. That's so sick. It's actually an Abarth, a real Abarth too. This one has dealer plates on it. Oh no way, dude, that's crazy, because the wing is just kind of like low-key like glued on there and then like bolted up on there too. But that's sick. All right, I'm good. I've seen everything. Technically, I don't need to go to the show anymore on the 15th because on the 15th they're gonna reveal the wrap on this one too. Wow. It's kind of like, this is kind of my background, my roots. And to see this out here in person is insane, dude. It's actual in Abarth. The other one that they did was an electronic one. And it was like, whatever. But that is so sick. They even got the hood on there and everything. No way. Bruh, this is crazy. Alright, so kind of continuing the vlog. 720S right over here. Really nice wheels. Laid on the ground. These two cars are my favorite of all time right now. Especially the Fiat Abarth. Oh my goodness. I can't believe it's out of here. Now, I'm not saying that I'm not ever going to make it out with the Fiat, but it's going to be a very long stretch with that car. But it's alright. Definitely staying positive for that one. That's pretty cool, Supra. Nice and wide. Sick. A lot of carbon fiber work on that one. Pretty cool truck right over here. SSA house. It's a really nice done up bed. The whole log in the rear. That's dope. Can you imagine crashing into that thing? That'd be crazy. But this truck is massive. The wheels are massive. Really nice, crazy looking truck. A beautiful RX-7 right over there on the ground. Some work wheels, sick. Got Wild GTR out here. That car's been in so many different shows. Alright, so that's gonna be kind of it, guys. Just a quick walk through everything. It's a very amazing day out for sure. Looks like we got some big heads out here. Brecky Car Club. Some other people, famous people and whatnot out here. But really amazing day out. I think it's crazy that I decided to bring the daily, not the other daily, because that guy needed a jump start and he needs some tools. And in the other daily, I have no tools and no jump cables. So kind of good. I got the Versa out today just to kind of help him out. And look at this Pikachu yellow Varis front bumper type R. That's crazy. So I personally don't like the smaller mounts because they come like on the LX and stuff like that. But this one's pretty sick. It's got some nice wheels on there. I really want to turn in the Versa for one of these, the 10th gen type bars instead of like a 11th gen Civic or hatchback or whatever, because I want the 11th gen and the 10th gen. I used to have a 10th gen. If you guys are new to this channel, I used to have one and it got in a wreck, so had to turn that one in. Couldn't keep it no more. And yeah, sad to say I had to let it go, but sometimes we have to do that. And I think it'll be cool to have a 10 and an 11 just sitting side by side. I was even thinking about getting an Accord or something like in the same color, the Sonic Gray. Looks pretty sick. But if you guys like today's content, please smash that subscription button. Comment down below, what was your favorite car today? My favorite car obviously has to be the Abarth out here. Finally, a real true Abarth with the Liberty Walk kit on there. That means that there's already 2 cars out here in Southern California with the Liberty Walk kit. And that's crazy because that's a $17,000 kit. Maybe they have hookups with companies and stuff to get little discounts and stuff. And then Fly Squatter also has one over there in Texas. So don't know if I'll be able to get one. I want to build up the Fiat with about 25 more grand worth of carbon fiber. And that's not carbon fiber overlays. That's gonna be like true carbon fiber parts to where I have to cut pieces off and glue pieces back together. So kind of, I guess, some little tea about the Fiats and stuff like that. But as always, guys, stay safe and stay chill.